January rolls in and suddenly everyone's on a new me buzz. But a lot of folks still make the same 3 food mistakes that wreck progress before February. Let's fix that, proper quick, so you get results that actually last. Mistake 1, the detox, cleanse, and juice only week. You been solid food. You neck green juice. You live on air and vibes. You drop a few pounds, sure, but it's mostly water and glycogen. Then your energy tanks. Cravings go wild. You binge and the weight rebounds hard. Keep your liver and kidneys, they're your actual detox team, happy by feeding them regularly. Aim for real meals, protein the size of your palm, a fist of veg, a cupped hand of carbs, a thumb of healthy fats, 3 times a day. Fancy a reset? Swap detox for a 7-day Simplify, whole foods only, no liquid calories, plants at every meal. Protein steadies hunger hormones, fiber feeds your gut. Steady meals keep your metabolism and mood on an even keel. No starve binge cycle, just consistent wins. Mistake 2, all or nothing rules. No carbs, no sugar, no joy. You go ultra strict, no bread, no pasta, no chocolate. That works. Until life happens. Birthdays, office treats, cold nights. And the minute you break the rules, you sack the whole plan. Use guardrails, not handcuffs. Try the 80-20, 8 out of 10 choices aligned, 2 for flexibility. Build anchor meals, breakfast and lunch that are repeatable and high protein. Then allow 1 intentional treat daily, portioned. Carbs aren't the enemy, carb timing is. Put most carbs around training or at dinner to help sleep. Oats, potatoes, rice, whole grains. Flexible structure beats white-knuckle willpower. You remove the guilt spiral, keep social sanity, and still trend down in calories across the week. Mistake 3, health halo traps. Smoothies, low-fat, and fancy coffees. You swap crisps for low-fat snacks. Order a fruit smoothie the size of a football. Grab a caramel oat latte to be good. Hidden sugars and liquid calories sneak past your hunger sensors, so you overconsume without feeling full. Chew your calories, don't sip them. If you want fruit, eat the fruit. Coffee? Go for Americano. Flat white, cappuccino with minimal syrup. For snacks, pick protein plus fiber, Greek yogurt with berries, an apple and peanut butter, hummus and carrots, jerky plus a pear. Read labels. If low fat, check the sugar line. Chewing increases satiety signals. Protein and fiber slow digestion. Label awareness kills the health halo magic trick. Quick January game plan. Breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, toast, fruit, lunch, big salad. Grain bowl with chicken, grain bowl with tofu, grain bowl with beans. Dinner, protein, 2 veg, smart carbs. Snacks, protein plus fiber twice a day. Drinks, water, tea, coffee simple. Movement, 8-10K steps. 2 to 3 strength sessions a week. Look, you don't need perfect. You need repeatable. Ditch the cleanse, ditch the handcuffs, ditch the health halos. Keep the meals, keep the movement, keep your head. If this helped, drop a like. Save it for later. Share it with that mate who's on day 3 of a beetroot cleanse. Cheers. Let's make January the month you actually keep your promises.